Hi, I'm Dr. Bob Godfrey, Professor of Animal Science at the University of the Virgin Islands. Now you may be wondering, what the heck is a guy who works with cattle and sheep doing talking about the SeaTrek FATHOMS program? Well, I'm going to tell you why. I was an invited speaker for FATHOMS program when it first got started and spent some time visiting with the students over the course of a few summers. I sailed with Angie and Captain Monk, who I happen to know as Ralph, but that's a whole different story, and got to spend some time teaching the students about how agriculture impacts and is impacted by the environment, and yes, even the deep blue sea. During my visits with the FATHOMS program, I was very impressed with the caliber of the students and the organization of the program. The students were enthusiastic to learn and were looking to learn all they could. I always thought it was a great opportunity for the students, and I'm just glad that I got to be a part of it and see FATHOMS programs grow and develop over the years. The students who teach now are going to be responsible for the future, so anything we can teach them will help, and I know FATHOMS will help prepare them for whatever comes their way. I'm just glad that I got to be a part of FATHOMS, and I really support and appreciate the work SeaTrek is doing.